GPRS's precision concrete scanning and imaging services saved a contractor from coring through banded post-tension cable, preventing tens of thousands of dollars in damage and keeping everyone on site safe. GPRS Senior Project Manager Brad Oberklaus was called out to a multi-story bank building in downtown Spokane, Washington, where the client was tasked with coring through a post-tension concrete slab to run plumbing and electrical. Post-tension systems consist of a series of high-strength steel cables embedded within concrete slabs that, once stressed, support the loads imposed on the slabs. Post-tension cable systems reinforce concrete, allowing for fewer beams, longer clear spans, more slender elements, and thinner slabs. This helps reduce the amount of concrete required for construction and the weight and height of the building. Post-tension cable location, spacing, and depth are determined by an engineer and are specific to each project. Drilling, cutting, or coring into a post-tension slab can be dangerous, which is why it's important to avoid hitting the cables when cutting or drilling for construction or renovation. Each tendon pulls 24,000 to 33,000 pounds of pressure, and damaging a cable when cutting, coring, or drilling into a slab can cause a tendon to burst with enough force to cause severe injury or death. An accurate layout of post-tension cables protects tendons from damage, prevents injury and mistakes, and safeguards the integrity of the building. Our client in Spokane had initially hired a different concrete scanning company to clear their coring locations. When Brad demonstrated the level of accuracy inherent in GPRS's concrete scanning process, they requested that he rescan a few of the areas which had been cleared by the other company. While Brad was on site, the contractor called that previous scanner to get a walkthrough of their findings. They were told by that scanner that they were clear to drill in the locations where Brad had detected cables. This was enough to convince the client to expand Brad's scope of work. He ended up rescanning the entire project area. GPRS project managers have achieved and maintained an industry-leading 99.8% rate of accuracy when locating utilities and scanning concrete slabs. We're so confident in the accuracy of the concrete scanning services that we provide, we introduced the Green Box Guarantee. When we place a green box within a layout prior to you anchoring or coring that concrete, we guarantee that that area will be free of obstructions. If we're wrong, we'll pay the material cost of the damage. Whether we're aiding you with subsurface damage prevention, providing existing conditions documentation, or assisting you with your construction project and facilities management, GPRS intelligently visualizes the built world to keep you on time, on budget, and safe. What can we help you visualize?